Hello.
Hi, Mira.
Yeah.
Hi.
Can we continue?
Yes. Yeah.
Cool. Okay. The goal process is completed. Okay. We haven't submitted our template yet, right? So let us submit the templates as well. Let us eligibility batch processes. Okay. Document type is Jan to June. Okay. Document name. Okay. This is the document we have. Okay. I'm just submitting it. Any doubts?
Mira.
Okay. I have one more plan, right? Okay. So I manage eligibility batch processes. Document type July to December. Okay. I've submitted all of them. Any doubts till now? No, right?
No, Mira.
Okay. Let's go check up at an employee level. Okay. Okay. Now you have all these plans. Any doubts?
No, Mira. No.
Okay. I'm not able to see this. I know why. I'm able to see the goal period, but why hasn't it come at the performance level? I don't know. Okay. Else is there? Did I not click the goal plan there? Sorry. Let me just go back to that. I think I did not check that checkbox of using goal plan. I removed it. So I might not have checked it in yet. Okay. Sorry. I kind of, at that time I did not have a plan. So, okay. I'll just resubmit the process. Okay. July to December. I sub. Okay. All are in succeeded mode. See if I can do it without wellness. Okay, now it has come. Okay. Any doubts till now?
No.
Okay, that goal plan you need to go and check it as available to use, so that once the goal plan is available, then you will be able to publish this. Okay. Any doubts here? See, now it is July to December, worker self-evaluation, participant feedback. Okay. Sorry. Okay, when you see Jan to December, you will not see any other things. Any doubts here?
No.
Okay. This is if you want to do it separately and things like that. When you have four periods and things like that, like say for example when you're on a quarterly basis and all, use there's something called as interim also, so you can use that as well. Even here you can use M2 July to December. So unless you don't want it to be okay, you can add an interim template here. Sorry, M1. What is ours? M2 is July. I can't search. Okay, M2. Okay. Yeah.
Would it be embedded in the first one?
Second one.
In July to December, Jan to June would be embedded.
Yes. Any doubts?
No, Meera, thank you.
Okay. So what happens is that once you start all this, you can finish. So now you are clear on how the process is happening, right?
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Yeah. So you have been able to create, because you were finding it difficult and it was erroring out every time. So that is the reason. See, normally when it errors out, right? So ensure that you create with only set worker evaluation and manager evaluation, so that you have less of tasks to remember.
Yeah.
Yeah. So go with a smaller meaning tasks in the beginning, so that you can upfront you can start with the what you call higher number of tasks.
Okay.
Let me check if I can. I'll just assign profiles. Just hold on. Okay, it's not from here. Go to the main one and okay. Assign security profiles. Just regenerating the role. Okay. Okay, this is the place where you can change here and all those things. Every time you do any changes to the content types or that skills and qualification, whatever is required here, right? So every time you change this, come and add one of these things, come and do the regeneration again, so that it is easier to cater to the changes. Still not editable. I'll check it up, okay? As to why it is not editable. because that day I went and added some roles. Sorry, competencies. So I'll check it out. Okay, thus you need to, based on your review period, you will be able to see all this. Okay. Earlier in R12, if you had seen, it would have one this thing, and you would have multiple performance documents. The review period was not there. So that's one advantage here, that you can cater it to and filter it down to the review periods.
So what you're saying is the performance document that we create now would be an LOB.
Sorry, no, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4 lines like what you see here.
Oh, okay, all right.
Okay, so unless you are doing it for the same period, meaning for the same period, if you have multiple documents, then it will appear.
Yes.
Except for the SS1 period, if I have 2, 3 documents, then all the 2, 3 documents will appear in a different line.
All right. Okay.
All right.
Yes.
Oh, cool. Let's come back to successions. Okay. So succession. What are the tasks? Just hold on. Define. Oh, sorry. Needs. Where's succession here? Yeah. Okay. These are new something which you need to take care. There are a lot of things that are added in here. Template. Let me search for template. Okay, it is giving me. Okay, configure. Talent review dashboard options. Okay. There are a lot of lookups that you see here. Talent review lookups. Okay. I'm just going by that whatever you need to take care and all those things. Okay. So here you have something called as box dimension. Okay. You have 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, others, etc. So in case you want, you can't add anything here because this is a system configuration level. So you can only have 3, 4, 3, 5, 4, 4, 4, 5 others. Okay, this is the box matrix. Okay, you can have a 5 by 5, 4 by 4, 3 by 5, 3 by 3. Okay, that's all you can have here. That is what it says.
Okay.
Any doubt? Okay.
So when there's other, for the other option, is there a rule, like a ratio on which the matrix should be, or?
Not really. See, you have only these available. See, the box dimensions are only 9 by 9, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5.
Okay.
Okay. 3 into 3 is you will have 3 rows, 3 columns. That's what it says.
Yeah.
That's what is
the last option. It says other, right? At the bottom. That one.
Yeah, even I haven't checked.
Okay.
Normally it is either a 3-5 or a 3-3 that I have checked, but I haven't checked the others at all. Meaning not even in a training environment I have checked that. So I'll have to work it out somewhere.
Okay. So that means that 3-5 and 3-3 is enough for an organizational structure.
Normally, yes. Normally it is, there are a lot of people who wanted 2-2 and all. They wanted to base it on that. I don't know, Oracle doesn't give, maybe that others we can check it up today. Other what happens.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that, what is a matrix, and they have a color scheme. Okay, these are the colors that are available for you. No other fancy colors you have. Okay, so then you have something called as
There are two colors. So there's blue _ white. Does that mean the row?
Blue and white, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it will be basically blue colors and white colors, or gray and grayscale, or in red and green. So the the performance box will become blue and green. That's all.
Okay.
It's just the look and feel that is going to change.
Okay.
Yeah, what if you click on this edit option? Like you just select a row and click on the on the prior screen.
Sure.
Yeah, and you look on.
It will go back to that inside.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So there is data validity. This is all coming with review contents. We will see that how it is coming there. Okay. This is all lookups which you cannot change. These cannot be changed. Okay. Certain things can be changed. That you see, it will not be a system person type. It will be a user person type. So these are coming. So this is talent review group by options. I'll show you where all these are coming. Okay, meeting status. See, all of this you cannot edit anything because there is no add button that is enabled.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, most of it you will not have what you call these things enabled. Add buttons, because they have certain set values that are defined here. That is the reason. These are value set when you define when you define a descriptive flex fields. Okay, there are something called as manage talent review profile options. Okay, there's HR default report folder. In case you have a report folder, then you can add here. Okay.
Yeah.
And then review notifications. So when HR assigns a goal, when HR cancels a goal, so what happens in talent review? So the same, this is new meeting is scheduled, submit talent review meeting content. Okay, all this is when you get an, you can enable notifications. That is what this page is. Like how we, sorry, yeah.
Sorry, Meera, but is there any way that we can secure these setups? Like, when we're talking about notifications for only some specific HR managers belonging to some specific department of business.
I didn't get you, sorry.
So, now when we're saying notifications, okay, at the moment when we're enabling it for all the HR managers.
Yes.
So, is there any way that we can keep it only for a few of them?
Not really. Notifications will go because it is not bound by the roles or responsibilities and things like that. Meaning you can either enable or disable. Okay, it can't be for a particular thing, but yeah, you can put if you don't want a notification here. Because see, this is new meeting. This doesn't because this doesn't come under approvals or anything. So that is the reason. Maybe it is not given that kinds.
Yeah, maybe I'm comparing it with like an approval.
It is, see, the if you see there's something called the local meaning desktop available performance managements have that. Okay, yeah, so the certain legacy systems do have.
But like if you read these descriptions, it's very clear that you're sending it to all.
Yes. Okay. Just let me, before I go back here, let me go to manage potential assessment. Okay. See here, there's a questionnaire. Okay. So what they have done is potential rating you are creating. Okay. So you can create a questionnaire for that rating also. That's what it says. Okay. We did not create a questionnaire for that, right? We did not create questions for that. Okay. So, but if you have, you can create questionnaires for this. scorings as well. Okay.
Meera, what is this potential rating?
Somebody has created, that's it. I'm not sure as to who has
Or it's
created
not
it.
something created?
No. This is created by people. Okay. Nothing is stated here in the questionnaire. Okay. So what happens here is they would have come and created a questionnaire for the rating. Okay. So I will show you how that happens. Okay, let us go talent review dashboard options. Okay, let us see if there is a template. Just hold on. Cool. Yeah, nobody has created a template, so let us go and create a template. See, this you saw there, manager, reviewers, population, reviewers, participants and all. In one of the lookups you saw that, right? So I'll go back there, yeah? Just hold on. Okay, so let me go back to our first development. Okay, lookups is tagged lookups. Okay, you could see these, right? Sorry, group by type. Okay, you see team, location, job, person, gender, age, ethnicity and all. Okay, I'm just going, just hold on. Okay, yeah, see here, job, location, job, family, function. Okay, so gender, age, ethnicity, etc. What it tells is, you understand the SQL concept, right? Group by.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is a similar concept. So when I'm creating my 9-box matrix, so it will ask, should I look at gender, should I look at ethnicity, should I look at religion? Okay, so what is the basis for my placing the employee in that 3-4 box or 5 box or 9 box, whatever matrix I have? Okay, so should I have based on business unit, what should I base it on location, or is it based on grades? Okay, or is there a competency level that is there? Okay, so based on what is the risk of loss, is there a mobility? Okay, career planning, should I look at performance details? Okay, what all is required in my template? So that is what I'm looking at. Okay, M2.
It's more like a filter, right?
Yeah, it is more like a filter and a review point for you as well. Okay, so this is the color scheme which we were seeing there.
Yeah.
Okay, so impact of loss, I will put it as same, impact of loss. Okay, overall competency rating, I will put overall goals rating, performance. I'm just putting the names, okay, meaning display labels I'm putting. Okay, type score, rating model, I'll use the same rating models. Competency rating, I will use performance rating model or potential rating model, whatever you want that to be. So my goals is based on performance rating model, potential rating model, risk of loss. then talent score. Okay. So I like say for example whatever you add here, okay. See it says at the rating types that appear in the box chart matrix, select any of select any for which you selected available ratings in this section. Meaning in this section you need to ensure that this is appearing. Okay, you can add XY views with 2 axes or single rating views. Select submit box assignment for at least one XY or single rating view or for one of each or one of each. Like say for example if I click impact of loss, this add button is enabled. When I don't click this, the add button is not enabled. I will tell you what is the significance. Okay. I'm saying performance versus potential, or let me put it as performance and potential. Okay. So view type is XY view. Okay. You need to give the X axis and the Y axis. See, I don't have anything here. There's only impact of loss. It will not allow me to put. The same value cannot be. So you have to enable another one. Okay. So I need performance and potential. So performance, how am I going to measure it? I'm going to measure it through goals maybe. Okay. So what I will do is I will use I will enable this here again. Okay, overall goals rating. Okay, and then what I will do is I will enable the potential rating model as well. Okay, now you will see overall goals rating and potential. Any doubts?
So you're basically saying what would you like to be displayed on the X and on the Y axis?
Yeah.
Is that what you're doing?
Sorry?
That's what you're doing, right?
Yes. What I'm just hold on, okay? Just hold on. Please practice. Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, sorry. Okay, I'm just giving as to what is the x-axis for me, what is the y-axis for me here. Okay. So the x-axis and y-axis. So I say potential. Okay, and I say maybe performance. Okay. This is x-axis and y-axis. Okay.
Okay.
This is one kind. Okay. I will put it as talent review template XY. Okay. So that okay, I come back. Just hold on. Okay, I will come back again to another template, meaning a different kind of template. Okay, M2. What is this? A single rating template. Okay. Okay. Color scheme, I will put it as red and green. Okay. Just hold on. Okay, I'll have to redo the same thing here. Okay. Okay. Impact of loss, overall performance, overall goals is also performance. Put this as potential rating model. Okay, performance is also performance rating model. Potential is I'll put this as proficiency rating model. Okay, this is risk of loss, talent score rating. Where are these coming from is here. Sorry. Where's that? This is the ones. Okay. These are the ratings that are coming here. Any doubts?
No, I'm good, thank you.
Okay.
Everything is coming from the lookup, right?
This one? This is not from the lookup. This is the rating models that are available here.
Yeah, I got that. But the other ones that you were talking, like on the page where we're creating the matrix.
Here?
Yeah,
These are the same thing that I have given here, rating.
Okay. Copy pasted in there.
This I just copy pasted here.
Alright.
Okay. So in this section, I want a proficiency rating model and a performance rating model. Okay. So I will see how that works here now. Okay. Performance and potential. Sorry, proficiency. Okay. So view type is single rating. Now you see the values will change. Okay, there's no x-axis and all. So I will say it is performance rating model. So the performance is what is getting rated here. Although I am saying that there's proficiency and performance rating model. So if I click on overall competency rating, so that will get grayed out. So what are you basing your performance on? Meaning what is your rating on is what will decide. There's only one axis here, so that is the reason you don't see anything here. Okay. Say for example, oh sorry, I didn't see. Okay, once I configure these boxes, okay, you will see there is something called as good average, because what is happening is I have based my rating on performance. Yes.
Yeah.
So what is my performance rating here? If you see the performance rating, where's performance rating? Here. Okay. Who's this calling me now? Okay. Okay. So these are the ratings that you see here as well. Where's that? Okay. Say for example, if I enable, I don't want any of these. Okay. I give that. Okay. I give a or let me say I have a risk of loss model. So okay. So what happens here is you will have based on that. Okay, my risk model is something based like this. Okay, let us go to risk and check what is the values. Okay, low risk, high risk, that is the category, that is the ones that is appearing. Okay, so then if I base it, yeah.
Sorry, can we select our rating model that we also created here?
Yeah, of course you can. It will appear. See, my MI rating model is also appearing, RA rating model is also appearing. But you need to remember one thing.
Yes.
Your performance rating model, whatever you have used in the overall summary page of the performance template should be here as well.
Okay.
Performance template. Or let me put it as a performance template section overall summary. We'll go to sections. Okay. If I have attached overall M1, right, I had created. Okay, so in this section I have a rating. Correct? I have to ensure that the same rating model is used against the performance of the employee. You can use the same rating model everywhere. That is not an issue. But for against the performance, this rating model has to be there. Okay? So now when you configure your 9 box, see it is row wise. I cannot repeat data row wise. Okay? I'm just giving you an example. Okay? So if I give OK, you must map the rating boxes in the current view of the okay. Let me rate here this way. Okay. You can map each rating to only one box in the box chart matrix. So it is horizontally driven. Okay. So it is one quadrant 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay. Here you can decide 1 and 4. If you do that, the quadrant will change. If you do 3 and say go, these quadrants are going to change. So you are going to decide as to how your columns are going to look. Any doubts here?
Meera, I didn't understand that error that we got.
You do not understand the error you got, is it? I'll go back to 2 into 2. Okay, so that we understand. So I can have medium and medium. Okay, you can map each rating to only one box. Meaning I cannot have medium and medium here.
Okay.
See, when you're analyzing the graph, how it looks, like say medium, high, low. Okay, against medium, what are you analyzing? Maybe you're analyzing low. Okay, high, medium, high. Okay. So if I prepare, I don't think I can prepare such a graph here. Let me try that. Where's the graph here? Can't see graphs. Any idea where graphs are? Yeah, here. Okay. So this is high and low. Okay. So what happens? Data labels. Okay, but here in this we will have a box, right? So I will have a value in each of these box. Here it is only a two-dimensional. So, but what I am preparing is a multi-dimensional data. What you call graph, right? So I don't think I'll have that kind here. Low and 1.2, 1.3. So it is giving me a seeded value. So similar to that, you will have the details there.
Okay.
Okay. So let's see what can be done. Okay. So you understood this?
Yeah.
Or it's still confusing? Should I rephrase again?
I think maybe once we get to it, then I'll.
No, I'll take a different rating model. That'd be easier for you. Impact of loss, risk of loss. Where I have a impact of loss. What is the rating I have given? Okay, just I'm checking the values. Okay, where I can differentiate. Okay, proficiency. I did skilled. Yeah, let us take proficiency. Okay, so that yes, this. I'm just giving you an example. Okay, so
Yeah.
okay, so here you see. Okay, let me. Yeah, this will be better. I can't have skilled all places, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I can have skilled. I have a in the so this will depend on your quadrant. Now I think you understand this better.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm created as novice, skilled, and say expert. Okay, I'm comparing it with say an intermediate or I can't use a novice here again because I've already have one in the quadrant.
Yes, you can't map them to a noise again.
Correct.
Yeah, this
Yeah, I hope this
yeah.
this is a better understanding. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Where no, I can't do this, right?
Yes, you can't. Yeah.
I can't do this
Now
as well.
it makes sense. You can't map
Yes.
expert to it.
Yeah, you can't map the same quadrants. So that is the reason I thought let me take proficiency.
Yeah, this is good, Meera. Thank you.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
novice, let us put it as that only. Overall competencies rating only we will see. Okay. So novice, skilled, expert, intermediate, or let me put Okay, I have novice, I have no experience. Who's in the highest quadrant? I will put lowest should be no experience. Then intermediate and skilled. Okay, the next quadrant will be starting with skilled. I'm just imagining, just hold on, okay? I'm imagining the quadrants, so it will take a little. Okay, I know here intermediate, skilled and expert. No experience, intermediate, skilled, skilled. No, this should be no experience, novice, and intermediate. Okay, so here it will start with intermediate, then no, here it will start with novice, intermediate and skilled. Okay, here it will start with intermediate, skilled and expert. So my upper quadrant will have all the best employees. My lower quadrant in this will have intermediate. Is that okay? Is this
Yes.
kind of understandable?
Yes, very much. Thank you.
Okay, so let us put it this way only. What happened? Where is the problem? Intermediate, skilled, intermediate, novice, intermediate. Yes, there are no repetitions, right?
No.
Intermediate, skilled. Okay, only one box in the chair. Okay, I think this is the problem. Wait, I'll just redo this.
Is it because the third cell is intermediate?
Intermediate, novice. You asked something, is it?
I'm saying, is it because the first cell is intermediate?
Possible. Novice. It can be. Yeah, I think it should be the other way. Intermediate, skilled, and expert. Okay. Let's say. But it has to be uppish, right? See, the bell curve comes with no experience in the beginning, right? Okay, let us put it the other way. Novice, intermediate, skilled, expert. No, intermediate, skilled, and expert. Sorry, no experience. Novice, intermediate. So here it should be novice, intermediate, skilled. So here should be skilled. Sorry, intermediate, skilled, and expert. I hope so. Okay, it is the other way. Okay, so what I want to analyze is my risk of loss, impact of loss, and mobility. Okay, what am I analyzing? These are the things I'm analyzing. See, in this 9 boxes, okay, based on these 9 boxes, okay, say for example, an employee fits into this box, okay, no experience box. So what is the risk of loss? Okay, in case the employee fits into this intermediate box, okay. So what happens? Okay, in case there is what is the kind of mobility, whether in case the employee is in the first quadrant, third row, okay, so can I move him to the second quadrant? Is there a mobility factor, meaning can they scale up? Okay. Unless you have actually gone through this, it will be a little dry for you. Because what is happening, we will come to the talent review meeting, and then I will show you as to how this is working. I think we have only rated one employee, right? We will do with that employee only. We have completed the ratings for that employee, right? So we will rate that. We will do that as well. Detail on-demand options, I will show you how this is working and what happens when we change data. Okay, I will show you that, and then we will see what is the impact. Okay, so I will not tell you anything now. I will just add and show you what exactly this happens. Okay. Job, yeah. Okay. Any doubts here? Don't tell me that we haven't started yet, so we will not know. Yeah, I can understand. Okay, so I will manage talent review templates. So what happens now is under performance. Hold on, okay, hold on. Sorry. Okay, now okay, I have a performance rating model. Okay, when I click on proficiency rating model, okay, you must enter a value 1 on 1. Okay, potential rating model. Okay, okay, so you have a single rating here. Okay, what it means is that configure, where was that, configure templates. I see. I seriously need to learn where all these come. Huh? Workforce deployment. No, workforce development is what we are looking at, right? Okay. Huh. Okay. So single rating template. Okay, what is your ratings here? So I'm just going and giving a performance rating model. Okay, we said that single rating will be overall competencies rating. Against the overall competency rating, we have added a proficiency rating model. Okay, so okay, it has to come in 9 actually. I'm not sure why it is not coming. Let's cancel. Okay, let me put it as I'll put it as potential and proficiency just for okay. Let me go back to your talent review. Okay, I'll come back to your explanations once I do the talent review. Okay, so what I have done essentially now is that, can you just hold on? Sorry. Okay, what essentially I'm doing is I have created a 9-box matrix, so I will know exactly where my employee has to fit in, what are my criteria. Now I have just had high, low, medium, and what is the potential versus performance. That is what I have decided. Okay, for that to happen, I need to have a meeting. Okay, so I create a talent review meeting. Let's see what is going to happen, and then when you have when we see what is happening, then you will start having doubts. So at that time we will start answering that. Will that be okay?
Yeah.
Okay, template name. So if you have a single rating template, you have created 2 templates. One is single rating template, another is a, so who is the business leader? Like say for example, you have say CEOs, who is convener of this meeting. Okay, say for example, you want people like one of the reviewers to be there. So I will search for a reviewer here. Okay, I'm just putting the reviewer as here, but normally what happens, it will be the business, in case you are doing it by division by division, then it will be the divisional head who is the business leader for this. In case you are doing it for an entire organization, then you will choose who is the business leader. Okay, so facilitators, you can add number of facilitators, meaning who will be there for you to facilitate this job to happen. Okay, so I will put this also. Okay, so I have put one more person. Okay, you can see that one more person here. Okay, when is the meeting date? I will put it as I not put it today. I put it as 12. Okay, submission deadline. Okay, we will keep it as 17th of July. Meeting status not started. Next. The data submission deadline must be earlier than the meeting date. Oh, data submission, sorry. Okay. Okay, so that means what they are saying is essentially meeting date must be later than or equal to Saturday. Oh, you can't hold it earlier. Okay, so what it essentially says is you can't backtrack it. I cannot create an earlier review meeting. Okay. Okay. Now, what did I tell here? For this, let me go back to this. I have created a M2 single rating template. Okay, this is my M2 single rating template. Okay, there is risk of loss, there is impact of loss, there is mobility. Correct? When I move, it says select review content. So all these are checked. Okay, I have a overall competencies. Okay, we'll see what happens. Okay, these were the data validity deadline. Okay, so what data I want to use? Okay, which data? Whether it is submitted within the month, within 3 months, within 6 months, within the previous year. Okay, first prior meeting. In case you have already had a meeting earlier, okay, then you will, because since we don't have it, we are not using it. Okay, we didn't create a succession plan. It's okay. Okay, I will create succession plan in talent pools and come back to this again. Okay, so then what happens is, now you have said that I want to review risk of loss, I want to review performance, I want to review overall competencies. Okay, all these are coming from here. I want to review performance, I want to review competencies. See, this is the overall competency that you see here. Any doubts?
No.
Okay, this is the performance that you have ticked here. Okay, and this is the risk of loss that you have ticked here. You understand how this is flowing into it?
Yeah.
Okay, had you enabled one more, you would have had one more row here. Okay, now let us select review participants. Okay, this is meeting participants, meaning people who will be present for the meeting. Okay, people who are present for this meeting, those are the ones you are seeing here. Okay, not the people who have to be reviewed. These are reviewers, meaning the target reviewers who will be reviewing this employees. That is the meeting participant here. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. So the next is I have, hold on. Okay. The next is I have select population. Okay. I said only these two are enough. Okay. So review population, I can select and add. Okay. Whoever is under this manager, search. Okay. Oh, manager name. Select and add workers. There should be multiple people. No? This is scroll bar. Okay. Now I'm adding any doubts here?
No.
Okay. Next is review. Okay, what all you have done here? So that is what you are reviewing. So essentially what I am doing here is that I am telling the system, so this is the rating I want to see for this particular review meeting. Okay.
Yeah.
I do understand it is a little going over and above the head, but still, are you able to relate?
Yeah, so what I've understood is we're defining the matrix on what we want to review, and then we're going and adding the members as to who's going to be a part of the review meeting. That's what we've done up to now.
Yes, that's what we are doing up till now. So what happens here is we decide which population will be considered for your review. Meaning, say for example, in an entire division, okay, I'm not even taking novice and intermediate. I can do that as well. Meaning, I'm not even considering novice and intermediate people or no experienced people. I will create a matrix which has 3 into 3, and I will not even look at novice and intermediate. Okay, I can create a matrix that way as well. Meaning, because with people with no experience, I don't have to look at whether it is a risk of loss or is there an impact of loss and things like that, right?
Hmm.
Okay, but what happens when there is an expert who is gone? So then I will have a higher risk.
Correct.
And the impact may be very high.
Yep.
Okay, or I will have, or it can be the other way also. I am in the risk of losing the person. Okay, what is the impact? So it can be both ways.
Yeah. We could also use this logic to, ignore the bottom quartile people
Yes, yes,
or
yes.
intermediate
Oh, yes,
three,
yes, yes. You can use
if
it to.
we want to do promotions or whatever, so
Correct.
then we concentrate.
Basically, these are used for you to analyze, because now you have only 1 or 2 employees in the training data, right? But when you
Yeah.
have like huge employees, you will see the quadrants being filled.
Correct.
I will show you that how it works. So you will see the quadrants being filled with employees so that you can move here and there.
Mm.
Okay, so that's how it will be. So what happens exactly here is that once you decide, say for example, I will want to analyze between skilled and intermediate only. Okay, like say for example, you are taking only average and good people for certain projects. So you need to understand where they come from, what is their ethnicity, and you need to filter like their jobs, or I want only skilled and what you call intermediate from a particular location and a particular business unit. Okay, so
Yeah.
I will add the locations here. Okay, and I will have the job location and all those things that you see here, right?
Mm. Mm.
Okay, I will add the job and locations there, and also I will add the maybe color code options I have, on what color will they be differentiated and things like that. So what happens here, let's see what happens. Okay, I will create one talent pool as well, so that we can see how the movement can happen into the talent pool. Okay, so that we'll see. Even without performance rating, you can have a talent pool. Okay, because talent pool is not dependent on your performance, right?
Right.
Okay, so let me create a talent. I think I created a talent pool, right, the other day?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Let me check if you again had that. I'm not sure on what dates I have created. I have added. Did I create a succession plan as well? I don't think so. Adding this. Okay, create planning and succession plan. Okay, plan type. See here, you can have a incumbent plan. Okay, like say for example, if you see the explanation itself will clear out your doubts. Select incumbent to create a plan to succeed a specific person. Select another plan type to create a plan for the entire category, such as jobs within it. Like say for example, if I am looking at, meaning I have a talent review meeting, my CFO is going.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I have a single incumbent there. Okay, so at that particular time, I will have only one person, so there is only one incumbent. Okay, so I will create for that particular incumbent. Okay, but if it is for a job, okay, I am saying okay for this job, for this job, you let me know who are the people who is eligible and things like that. Okay.